Again we'll try it on here. See, oh actually the flame is really powerful. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of Stash Pro torch lighter, which I recently purchased online. So first we'll take a look at the packing of the product. So in the front you can see there is a branding, torch lighter is written. Down they have given some features: torch flame, electric ignition, slip guard. Okay, they have given all three. We'll check what is it. And the back side you can see again they have given the branding, torch lighter is written. So they have given instructions how to refill it also. So for refilling, mostly it comes with a butane refiller, like lighter fluid. So you have to just push it on the back side, like the bottle should be reversed and you have to push it 2-3 times, and then you have to, then you can easily refill the lighter once it's finished. And they have given some instructions: wait for at least 2 minutes after filling before using the lighter. Many of the times we'll try to refill the lighter, but after that it will stop working. That is because the lighter becomes so much cold, and that time you shouldn't turn on the lighter for a while. Wait for 2 minutes until it becomes the room temperature, then you turn on the lighter will start working. Okay, and that's it. So here the MRP they have given is 290. Actually I have bought it also for 280, 290, that price, almost the same price. So without wasting any more time, let's open this product. I have taken out the product from the package. So here you can see, here is the where the storage of the lighter fluid is kept. This is the cartridge. It is in matte finish, it is not glossy. So in the front side you can see there is the flamethrower, or from where the jet flame comes out, and this is the adjuster, like how much flame should come, like the intensity of the flame is controlled with this. To increase it, do it to the right side, and do it to the left side to decrease it. This is the lock mechanism. With the lock mechanism, see, mostly when we turn on the lighter we should press and hold it for it to work. So once you press it, if you do the lock mechanism, the button will stay at the place, so that you don't have to keep on pressing and holding it. So that's it. It's a simple lighter. So now on bottom you can see there is the knob for refilling the lighter. So now without wasting any more time, let's see how this lighter works. So actually it is a jet flame lighter, so its heat can go from a long distance. So I'll just keep it for the safety purpose, and then I'll turn it on. See, you can see that. Okay, from this much distance you can see it has already started burning this, and it is a long flame comes in that, because actually I kept it for the highest setting. So I'll decrease it now. Actually there is no much difference I can see in both the settings. I kept it in the middle. So this is the flame, guys. You can see how much powerful the flame is. See, in 2 seconds it started already burning this thing. See, it started melting this. Again we'll try it on here. See, oh actually the flame is really powerful. It's unlike a normal lighter. This induces so much power. Okay, now we'll check the lock feature at the end. So for lock feature we have to press it, and then we have to hold it like this. See, you can see that it is continuously firing. So for closing it, I think we have to press and hold and do this. See, it's as simple as that. So this mechanism is mainly when you are doing a long work, you have to do something with both of your hands, then you can use the lock mechanism. So how much ever I checked it, this lighter is really good. But only thing is, for some reason this increasing and decreasing of the flame it is not working that good. Maybe it is just a defective piece, but overall the lighter looks really good and the functions are really good. The flame is really powerful. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. It helped you guys in buying this product, and if you wish to buy this product, I'll be providing a link in the description if I can find it online somewhere, then only. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.